We won't always be able to use the 68, 95, 99.7 rule to find percentages of data items under the normal distribution. So this is where the calculator comes in. If they ask the percentage between A and B, the percentage would be this region under the normal distribution right here. So the lower would be A and the upper would be B. If they ask above A, it would be this region. So the lower would be A and the upper would be infinity, because the normal distribution actually goes forever in both directions. But on the calculator, if we just type 9,999, that will be good enough. If it says below A, our region would look like this, and the lower would be negative infinity, and the upper would be A. So the lower is on the left, and the upper is on the right of the shaded region. So for the calculator, we want to press second and then the vars key, and that will take us to the distribution menu, and we want to select the normal CDF. For standard normal distributions, or z-values, on my calculator I need to type normal CDF and then the lower value and then the upper value. And for normal distributions, I need to type the normal CDF, then the lower value, the upper value, the mean, and the standard deviation. If you have the other operating system, it's basically the same, except for you are typing this information in the vertical menu. Use the normal CDF function on your calculator to find the following percentage of data items in a standard normal distribution that lie in the following ranges. Express your answers as a percentage rounded to 2 decimal places. So number 6 says between z is equal to 0.3 and z is equal to 2.1. So that's going to look something like this. So on my calculator, I'm going to type normal CDF, and the lower would be 0.3 and the upper would be 2.1. So on the calculator, you want to press second and then the vars key, which will take you to the distribution menu. And then once you're in the distribution menu, you want to go to number 2, which is normal CDF, and then press enter. And then you want to type the lower value, comma, then the upper value, and then press enter. So this is equal to 0.3642, which is 36.42%. So 36.42% of the data items lie between 0.3 and 2.1. For number 7, it says between z is equal to negative 2.2 and z is equal to negative 0.3. So that's going to look something like this, between negative 2.2 and negative 0.3. So we want to type normal CDF, negative 2.2 and negative 0.3 on the calculator, and that will get us 0.3682, which is 36.82%.